How do you use blog articles or educational content for marketing? If you've ever felt pressure to start blogging or to write more articles for your business, but it really felt like a time drain that doesn't move the needle, this episode is going to change the way that you see educational content. I'll show you how to use blog posts as a real marketing tool, not just busy work. You'll learn how to write for search and, more importantly, how to write for humans. But then you'll learn how to lead your viewers or your readers towards your offer and how to multiply your impact from your blog to YouTube, to Google, and to ChatGPT. Let's dive right in. Most people create content for content's sake. They don't have any outcome beyond that. I mean, of course, they want it to grow their business, but they don't have any tangible way of tracking that. They don't really expect any tangible results. They just see that other people are doing it and they want to be seen as somebody that's creating content. But think about it this way. If somebody is actually reading a blog post of yours, they are researching, they are learning, they are wanting to know more. People that are reading your blog are very open to help. And specifically, if they're reading your blog, they are open to your help. They want more from you. A blog will be much more powerful the more value it delivers to them without selling anything. And we're going to cover in a minute how you can match the reader of the blog with your specific article. You can have it match what they're searching for perfectly. So therefore, in your blog, you can directly answer their question. And so you're building a relationship of trust with them. Now they see you as an expert that really knows what they're dealing with or what they're trying to overcome, and you're the person that can help them. So how does an educational blog post lead into your promo content? Well, typically at the end of your blog, you're going to give them a free resource. I mean, if you've taught them these steps or these principles or given them an answer, give them a free resource that will help them implement whatever you taught. So it could be a PDF download, it could be a calculator or some type of assessment, it could be a training, it could be a mini course. It could be a free plus shipping book. So what would be valuable to them after they read that blog, after you've given them that training, that education? So now they're going to go to that specific landing page and they're going to become a lead in your system. Now let me talk about YouTube for a minute and how it can really enhance your blog creation. Not only in making it easier to write really effective blogs, but in a way that will make your blogs rank higher and get more traffic, okay? So if you create a YouTube video that answers people's questions, these YouTube videos will rank at the top of YouTube search. We're going for Google search, we're going for YouTube search, and if you follow what I'm teaching here, you'll show up on ChatGPT and Perplexity and all these other AI answer engines. So if you create the right type of educational video and put it on YouTube, it'll rank at the top of YouTube. You can take the YouTube transcript and have ChatGPT write your blog post to say, hey, take all this content from this video, please reformat it in the form of a blog post, and ChatGPT does it like that. So when you create your blog page, I recommend embedding your YouTube video at the top of the page. The title of your blog will be the same title as your video, and then the article that you just had ChatGPT write from your content and in your voice and your words, that'll be the blog post below the video. Now, if people do a search on Google, what do they find? Okay, they'll find the AI overview. They'll also see ads at the top. We expect that. But then when we get into the content, we find YouTube videos and we find blogs. We don't find websites anymore like home pages or product pages. You never see those on Google search, but you'll find blog posts that have answers. And so YouTube videos and blogs go hand in hand. Google owns YouTube. And when you can really get a lot of momentum with Google and YouTube in that way, ChatGPT follows right behind it. Now, one other advantage of doing blogs like this is they don't get buried, but they actually become evergreen, right? Think about Facebook. Facebook is very similar to what your blog could be. If you post something to Facebook or to LinkedIn, all the social platforms are the same. They're not indexed and they're not searchable by topic. So even if you have an amazing article and you post this amazing article or video to Facebook, it gets seen by your Facebook friends for the first day, for the first several days, for the first week. After that, it doesn't get seen anymore. It gets buried. And so in order to stay relevant and to stay active and keep Facebook working for you, you've got to post something new. Next week, something new after that, a week later. So after a year, if you've done 1 a week posts, you'll have a pile of these 52 articles or posts that don't get viewed. This is different. If you put this article or blog post on your blog, but you create it in a way that is searchable, your blog will be indexed. Your Facebook post or LinkedIn post will not be indexed by topic. So people can go to Google, do a search by topic. They don't even know who you are, but they will find your blog and they'll find your YouTube video. So with that perspective of how to turn content into an actual marketing tool for your business, I'm excited to really paint the full picture of how you can really create a funnel, a sales funnel in your business using this YouTube blog combination, because the type of videos that you create are very specific. So I'm going to link to another video right there. It's how to start a YouTube channel for a business. You'll learn how to launch your channel the right way so that every video that you launch becomes a magnet for this search traffic, and then those videos will be a perfect fit for this blog strategy. So that episode is your next step. I'll see you there.